Binance Smart Chain, BSC explained, the blockchain powering DeFi and Web3. Have you ever wondered how DeFi apps like PancakeSwap run so fast and cost so little? Meet Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, the blockchain backbone behind some of the most used Web3 platforms today. In this video, we're diving deep into how BSC works, why it's so popular, and what makes it a game changer in the crypto world. Let's get started. BSC was launched by Binance in September 2020 to complement its original Binance Chain. While Binance Chain focused on speed and simple asset transfers, it lacked smart contract support. That's where BSC came in, adding programmability through Ethereum compatibility. This dual-chain architecture enables users to move assets between chains while enjoying both performance and flexibility. BSC is EVM compatible, meaning it can run Ethereum-based applications seamlessly. It uses a consensus mechanism called Proof of Stake Authority, POSA, combining delegated proof of stake with proof of authority. This makes BSC much faster and more cost-efficient than Ethereum's traditional POW model. The block time is around 3 seconds. The native token of BSC is BNB. It's used to pay gas fees, just like ETH is used on Ethereum. But here's the twist. BNB gas fees are often just a few cents. BNB is also used for governance in the BNB chain ecosystem, staking and liquidity mining. With BNB, you power the entire Binance universe, from exchanges to smart contracts. Why is BSC so popular? Let's break it down. Low fees. You can make a trade or mint an NFT for under $0 each one. Fast transactions. With 3-second blocks, confirmation is lightning quick. Cross-chain compatibility. Easy asset transfers between BSC and Ethereum via bridges. Massive developer ecosystem. Hundreds of dApps, from DEXs to NFT marketplaces, run on BSC. Let's look at some popular projects on BSC. PancakeSwap, the #1 DEX on BSC, rivaling Uniswap in daily volume. Venus Protocol, lending, borrowing, and earning interest on crypto. ApeSwap, a DEX and yield farming platform with NFT integration. Mobox, Bakery Swap, and more. Games, art, and DeFi combined. Visual, screenshots or screen recordings of each platform. BSC isn't just about DeFi, it's big in NFTs too. Platforms like Treasureland and Binance NFT Marketplace offer low-cost minting and trading. In DeFi, BSC's total value locked, TVL, peaked in the billions, making it a top choice for yield farmers and investors alike. From staking to launchpads, BSC has it all. So how does BSC compare to Ethereum? Speed. BSC confirms blocks in 3 seconds versus Ethereum's 12-15 seconds or longer each 2.0. Fees. Pennies on BSC versus dollars on Ethereum. Scalability. BSC supports a high number of transactions per second. However, Ethereum remains more decentralized, which brings us to the next point. BSC is sometimes criticized for being too centralized. Validators are chosen by Binance, which can be seen as a security risk. Also, due to low fees and high activity, BSC has attracted some scams and poorly audited contracts. So always DYR, do your own research before investing or connecting your wallet. Looking ahead, the BNB chain roadmap includes more scalability through OP-BNB, a layer 2 scaling solution built on optimism tech. There's also ongoing work to decentralize the validator set and expand adoption across gaming, DeFi, and AI. BSC is evolving fast, and it's not slowing down. Binance Smart Chain has redefined accessibility in crypto. Fast, affordable, and filled with opportunity. Whether you're into DeFi, NFTs, or building dApps, BSC is worth exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your favorite BSC project? Smash the like button if you learned something new about BSC. Subscribe to stay ahead in the crypto world and share this video with someone who needs to understand BSC.